Hello students, this is your creative writing class. Today we are going to solve exercise 16 from creative writing book 4. So we start our lesson. This is page number 142 from your book. Here we can see A part. Rearrange each dialogue into a logical sequence. Here we can see few sentences, but they are not in order. We have to arrange these sentences. The correct option here is B. D, B, E, A, C. Will you be free tomorrow evening? Yes, I think so. Why? I would like to invite you to dinner with some of my friends. That is very kind of you. Thank you. Bye. In the second, the arrangement is of D section. Hey, Jim, want to join us for a picnic this weekend? Why not? I would love to. What shall I bring? Nothing, just come with a big appetite. That is very kind of you. You are welcome. In the third, the correct arrangement is A. Would you like to go to the movie with me this evening? Which movie are you planning to watch? Harry Potter. I'm sorry, but I have already seen that. What a pity. Maybe next time. 4. Correct arrangement is D. C-A-D-E-B. Do you have plans this Saturday afternoon? No. Why? There is a football match at the stadium. Really? Let's go together then. Okay, see you on Saturday. B. Complete the conversations. X. I cannot do some of these exercises. Why? But I can help you. X. So let's work together. Why? How did you solve this sum? X. I added these two numbers. Why? Oh, it is not the correct way. You should add these two numbers and multiply the total by 2. X. Now let's hand in our homework. Thank you for your help. P. Hello, may I speak to Jane? Q. Hello, I am Jane. Who is this? P. Hey Jane, this is Diana. I'm calling to ask if you would like to come to my birthday party. Q. Sure. When is your birthday? P. This Saturday evening. Q. I'll be there. Thank you for inviting me. C. Complete the dialogue accordingly. 1. On the train you find a seat. There is a bag on it. You ask the person next to it if you can take the seat, but the person tells you that the seat has been taken up by someone else. A. Excuse me, may I sit here please? B. Oh, I'm sorry, but the seat has been taken up. A. But where is the person? B. He'll get on the train 2 stops later. 2. It smells bad in the classroom. You want to open the window. You ask your neighbor if you can open the window next to him. A. Excuse me. B. Can I help you? A. Could you open the window please? B. Sure. 3. You are at your friend's house and you want to use her telephone to make a call. A. May I use your telephone, Diana? B. Why not? It is on the table. A. Thank you. I want to call my mother to ask her if can spend more time here. B. That would be great. I hope she allows you. 4. You have an appointment at 6 o'clock, but you are already late because of the traffic jam. You call your friend on your mobile phone to let her know. A. Hello, Anna. This is Jack. B. Hello, Jack. I was about to call you. I will be late because I am caught in a traffic jam. A. Oh, what a coincidence. Coincidence. Shall we meet at 6:30 instead? B. Yes, that would be great. See you later. 5. It is raining. You want to borrow an umbrella from your friend. However, he says he needs to go home right away. A. It is raining heavily. Can I borrow your umbrella? John? B. Sorry, but I cannot lend you. I have to go home now. I can share with you. A. Thank you for your favor. B. Let's go then. 6. Your mother is ill. You need to leave the school to take care of her. You ask your teacher for permission. A. May I have your permission to leave school early, ma'am? B. Why do you need to leave early, Mary? A. My mother is ill and I have to give her medicine. B. Oh, do good care of her. 7. You are about to get off the train. You have a lot of luggage. A man offers to help you. A. Excuse me, may I help you? B. Oh, that would be great. Please help me to carry this pink bag. A. Oh, certainly, I'll help you. B. Thank you very much. 8. At across the street, you see a foreign lady. She does not know the way to Grand Hotel. You go up to her, intending to help. A. Excuse me, you look like you are lost. B. I'm looking for Grand Hotel. A. Oh, Grand Hotel is at the end of this street. B. All right, thank you so much. D. Read the following passage carefully. My name is Kathy. I am 10 years old. My uncle and his family live in Sydney, Australia. This coming holidays, I want to visit him. However, my parents do not have the time to go there with me. I think I am brave enough to go by myself. The air stewardess will watch over me. My uncle will meet me at the airport. I have a mobile phone so I can get in touch with my parents and they can also contact me anytime. However, my father insists that I am too young to travel on my own. I am a girl and it is not safe to be seen alone. Besides, I have never been anywhere alone before, even in my own country. Complete the following chart with the information given in the short paragraph that you just read. Kathy's reasons for traveling by herself. She thinks she is brave enough to go by herself. Furthermore, her uncle will come to take her at the airport. Kathy's father's reasons for not letting Kathy go by herself. Kathy is too young and she is a girl, so it is unsafe for her to be seen alone. Moreover, she has not traveled anywhere alone before. If you were Kathy, would you be persuaded by her father? Give your reasons why. No, I would not. I would be able to travel by my own. My uncle will be waiting for me at the airport. I also have a mobile phone so I can be connected. E. Practice in creative writing. Imagine you are married. Read the invitations and look at your schedule. Write replies to the invitations. Mary's schedule. Sunday, go to the mall at 10 a.m. Monday, finish geography project in the evening. Tuesday, football match at 5 p.m. on TV. Wednesday, piano lesson from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thursday, culture club at 4 p.m. Friday, movie with Sam in the evening. Saturday, fishing with Grandpa the whole day. Mary, what are you doing on Friday? Want to play tennis with me? Rose. Here Julie is asking, Mary, can you come to my party on Monday at 7 p.m.? Mary, can you come over to my house this Wednesday evening to discuss the science report? I am free till 8 p.m. Dave. Now, based on your schedule, write replies to Rose, Julie, and Dave. Rose, I will be able to play with you in the morning or afternoon. In the evening, I will be watching movie. Mary. Julie, I am sorry, but I would not be able to go to your party in the evening. I have to finish a geography project in the evening. Mary. Dave, I am sorry, but I would not be able to go to your house on Wednesday evening. I have piano lesson from 7 to 8. Mary. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.